2, 1.
It is 100% possible to lose weight without exercise or cardio, and you might be trying to do this if you're limited on time or your capabilities currently. Let me show you how. In order to guarantee that you're going to lose weight without any exercise or cardio, it's super important for you guys to still stay in caloric deficit. Not only just caloric deficit, but it's super important for you guys to really focus down on your diet, proper daily routine, or what you might consider schedule. Have your meals and the times that you're going to eat planned out ahead of time. This will avoid overwhelming yourself, bringing you to impulsive decisions, and I promise you guys, it's much better to avoid testing yourself through this journey. All right, I actually have a super funny story to share with all you guys about this place in general. So actually all of us and another friend that's not here with us right now, we've all been part of this story, but we got into a big altercation, a big fight over by the lake. If you guys have seen it in other videos, it turned out to a big problem. The guy ended up calling the cops. We all ran in here while it was busy one night. It used to be a lot more busy than this. And we tried hiding anywhere we could find. We ended up running into the movie theater, and we were in the bathrooms as about 6 officers came in, tried to arrest us or do something to us, even though we're all like 15 years old. And long story short, guys, we got banned here for a year, like a full-on like police ban for a year. So we had to find out new things, but short time. Fats and carbohydrates are a heavy macronutrient that I'm telling you you're gonna want to keep relatively low, especially if you're trying to skip exercise or cardio to lose weight. What I highly recommend, guys, is try to stay in between 60 to 100 grams of carbs a day at most. That's all you need for your energy levels if you're not doing crazy activity or cardio. What's wrong with this thing? Let me in. Honestly, guys, for fats, I would say put nothing on that chart. Don't eat any fats throughout your day. They have no positive effects. You might hear different from other channels, but listen, when have I ever not told you the truth?
It's really just a state of mind.
Keeping fats and carbohydrates low is how you're going to guarantee that you stay in caloric deficit, which is the only way this strategy that you're looking at the video for will work. Guys, in order to make sure that this is happening, your diet has to be locked in. The things I'd recommend to lock in this diet: high protein, high fiber, eat mid carbs, guys. As we already said, stay away from fats. Make sure you guys are trying any new things that are meal replacements or high in calories to keep you going throughout the day without feeling hunger and reaching towards temptations. All right, and just to keep it real with you guys real quick, I'm gonna give you my best advice, my most solid opinion. If you're trying to skip cardio because you have an injury or it's a health reason, something like that, I totally understand, and I hope this video gives you enough information to get to your goal and not, relapse. The problem is though, guys, if you're trying to skip cardio or exercise when you're fully available to go to the gym or do some laps around your neighborhood or some exercise, guys, this makes it extremely easier to stay in caloric deficit. Not only that, you're gonna feel more accomplished for yourself, as I just talked about in my last video about staying motivated. So in order to do so, guys, exercise and cardio, I would say, is super important and super influential not to skip in your routine. But as said, if you are somebody who just knows you can't get this exercise or cardio out of the way, this is the way for you to do it. If you like this video, guys, check out the video right here. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Fats and carbohydrates are a heavy macronutrient that you're definitely going to want to keep relatively low if you're planning on using